Alright, what's going on? This is my end of summer bike check. Starting out, I got the ODI grips. Like everybody has them. It's not really that special. I got the ODI bar ends, or ODI, whatever the hell you want to call them. I got the We the People Sterling bars. They're specially made for you can fit your face in the inside of them. Yeah.
Not if you're fat.
Geez, someone almost died over there, but that's alright. Alright. Yep, those are bars. Volume Bikes staple stem. It's an awesome stem. It hasn't slipped on me once or any of that bullshit like you get with other stems, especially Demolition. Salt integrated headset. Demolition Elite Rob Wise forks. There you can see like the little logo and stuff. Yep. I got the two black salt pegs in the front. Haven't had any problems with those. Well, they're just pegs, I guess. I got a 2.4 BSD Donna Squeak tire in black. My front wheel is the Salt, let me see here, Salt Meza, I guess, if that's how you pronounce it, or I'm just autistic with ALS. ALS is something that's not alright. Alright, random Salt spokes and the Salt Trapez female front hub. I love this fucker. Never have any problems with it. It does not fuck around. Alright. Frame. I finally found out what my frame was. It's a Fit DF1. I got the little business sticker there on the side. It's like our local kind of BMX scene type thing. And the BSD sticker. That's pretty much about the frame. It's a 20.5. This is my nice friend Cole. And he's fucked. Yeah. Got the We the People team seat. Volume seat post. No seat clamp because that shit's integrated on nigga. Not racist at all. Alright. The cranks are the Eclaw Oinks or something they're called.
They're fucking awesome. I love these cranks.
They're actually really good. Colony Menace guard sprocket with a Odyssey / Salt Plus bottom bracket with the Eclaw Plaza pedals. They're worn down a lot. Alright. Back wheel. My back rim is Demolition Zero, laced with Demolition spokes to a Demolition Rogue hub. That's what it's called. Yeah. Primo drive side guard and Demolition non-drive side. Then I got one Federal plastic and one I don't even know the name of this fucking peg. So it's just a random peg right now. Yeah.
She holds the fuck up though.
And the final thing is,
this is our foreign friend, Cole BMX Wheeler.
yeah, and 2.5, yeah, something like that. BSD Donna Squeak. And I hope you this is going McCann. Hope you enjoyed my bike check.
He's gonna strip for you.
Follow Maritime Films on Instagram.
Nice tits. Follow Instagram, cuz. Colvin98. That was actually sick, Justin. That was actually a sick scooter trick.